So, imbis na insecure, mas parang, uy, magaling to mga katrabaho ko, dapat galing ako din. Mas ganun. Mas
Okay.
challenge. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, kasi it's been a while, medyo
Yes.
nawala ka sa eksena, tapos pagbalik,
Yes.
pasabog, nasa ang probinsyano ka. How did you get to, paano ba yung offer nangyari ng ABS-CBN?
I was doing, nung time na yun, I was shooting a movie, yung Felix Manalo. So, medyo
nauna pa
patapos
yun
na
sa
kami. Oo,
okay.
January pa kami nag-start ng Felix Manalo. And I got a call from my manager if I could attend the meeting ng Dreamscape. Parang they wanted to see me lang. Sir Deo wanted to see me.
You're now with Viva
Yes,
Artist
I'm
ba?
with Viva.
Uh-huh.
So, yun, Sir Deo talked to me. He asked kung ano yung mga nagawa kong projects before, kung ano yung mga gusto at kaya kong gawin. Tapos, I remember I was in Japan. I got a Viber message na, can you go to Sir Deo's house tomorrow? So, I was like, oh my God, I'm still in Japan. So,
Aray, may roaming.
so
Sorry
talagang
na.
may roaming ako nun. So, talagang yun, nagmadali ako umuwi kasi this is a project I've been waiting for. Obviously, this is